G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video I am going to be unboxing and reviewing the Teige Hanley Uncomplicated Skincare for Men, which was kindly enough sent to me by Teige Hanley, which is the company of Aaron Marino, who's the guy behind Alpha M. He's got almost 5 million subscribers on YouTube, and he's been on Shark Tank a couple of times in America, so he's obviously an entrepreneurial kind of person, and he's developed this range. And from what I know about it, it's meant to be like a skincare range that's targeted at guys who don't really know much about skincare. So let's unbox it and see what's in the box. Okay, I like the black, it's very sleek. So we've got instructions here of what to do in the morning and the evening and usage amounts, so it's pretty good. Okay, so the products come in this paper thing here. Oh, there's quite a few products here. So that's what you get in the box. That's quite extensive. Okay, so we've got a scrub, we've got a super serum, an AM, a daily face wash, eyes, and PM. So what do? We're gonna go and follow these instructions. Okay guys, we are in my bathroom and I'm gonna do the morning routine right now. And then in a few hours before bed or when it gets dark, I'll come back and I'll do the evening routine. So this guide tells you exactly what to do, and it's even got the usage amount. The wash and the scrub is a bigger amount than the serum and the eyes, and the AM and the PM products you use the smallest amount of. So we'll start with the morning routine. Step 1, wet face with warm water. Gently rub wash onto your face, then rinse your face. So wash, this is wash. And I'm assuming he's giving it really basic names, because guys, we don't really know what the difference between a scrub or, well, you know, some guys do, but the guys that he's targeting don't really know the difference between scrubs and serums and all these different things. So this is wash, and we're gonna use quite an amount of wash as per the guide. Quite a dollop. This is how I like to do it, just dollop it all over the face. So gently, it says gently, so gently rub wash into the face. Okay, then we rinse. Already my skin feels fresher. Let's look at the next step. Step 3, twice per week, gently massage, scrub onto your face in a circular motion, rinse face. Right, where is scrub? Okay, we've got some scrub. Okay, so this is like the exfoliator. So this gets rid of the dead skin cells. Okay, that was step 4, pat dry with towel. Step 5, level 3 only. I'm not sure what it means by level 3. Alright, so we're gonna apply the serum, and then we're gonna apply the eyes. And then step 7 is to put on the moisturizer. Okay, the serum, the super serum. I'll assume with the serum you avoid the eyes, because that's why you have the special eye stuff. Eyes. Now make sure eyes you put on really gently, because the skin is very delicate. That's what I've read anyway. So that is the eyes done. Final step, step 7, is gently massage AM moisturizer. So that is what the difference is between the AM and the PM. The AM moisturizer. And how much do we use? Only a little amount. Oh, I've accidentally taken that amount, so. Okay, that is it. That is all 7 steps of the morning Teige Hanley routine. Now for the evening, it's a similar routine. Wet face with warm water, gently rub the wash onto your face, dry it with a towel, apply the serum, apply the eyes, and apply the PM moisturizer. That's the only difference. So, what are my thoughts? Well, yeah, as a guy, I generally only use moisturizer for skincare or aftershave balm. And when I had a beard, I didn't really use anything. Like, I felt like the beard kept the moisture in. But I did sometimes use, you know, on my forehead and my nose. So I have actually bought bits and pieces of these products before. Like, I've had eye cream in the past, I've had some serums, but I've never really used them. Like, I bought them, maybe used them once or twice, and then never really used it. So I do like that they all come together and the instructions come, and I think if you do it once or twice, you're gonna know exactly the order to do them in. So from that point of view, I do recommend, you know, if you are a bit confused, definitely check out the Teige Hanley skincare. It does uncomplicate things. But if you are a guy that knows what you're doing, then I'm sure you can pick these up at your local supermarket and you can follow these instructions. That'll do the same. And also, if you're a guy that can't really be bothered, I do still recommend getting yourself a moisturizer. Use it after you shower, use it after you shave. So at least have a moisturizer, and even better during summer, some sunscreen moisturizer. Some moisturizer with sunscreen in it. But if you are looking for an uncomplicated product, you want to check it out, I will post the link in the description. Shout out to Aaron Marino at Teige Hanley from Alpha M for sending me this little package for me to review. But that will be the video for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next time.